Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 14 from Duncan Cartledge Online. This short presentation will look at the RICS information paper, Guidelines on NRM2, Detailed Measurement of Building Work. The RICS regularly publishes documents to instruct or guide members on a variety of topics. The status of these publications varies from mandatory to information only. For the record, NRM2 is classified as guidance. RICS members are not compelled to use NRM2, but it has been pointed out that using NRM2 could be used in a partial defence to allegations of professional negligence or to answer questions posed by an RICS disciplinary board. One of the information papers that seems to have avoided the spotlight is the Guidelines on NRM2, Detailed Measurement of Building Works, published in 2014. It's common knowledge that excavation work can be measured in build in two ways. But what are the criteria for deciding which approach to adopt? The guidelines spell out the criteria. Apparently, it's all to do with the size of the project. In situ concrete work also gives the taker-off a similar choice when measuring concrete, but no similar guidance is given as to when each alternative should be used. If you have enjoyed this presentation, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.